Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw a dragon flying. Now, if you guys would like to see more dragon videos, definitely let me know in the comments and let me know what you want to see. But thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy. Now, to start off with our flying dragon, let's begin with the face. I'm going to begin right here, and we'll start the eye by making a line that's going to go down and then up here. Next, we'll draw a line that's going to curve down, and we'll add a couple little lines underneath it. Right above here, we'll make a line that's going to come down or up and down, and then one more here. Starting here, we'll make a line that's going to go out, then we'll come up and down with a little curve in here for the nose. We'll make a line that comes out for part of the mouth. And then we're going to draw a line that's going to come down. We're going to come back like this and up. Next, we'll draw a line that's going to come down, and it's going to angle out like this. Go over and up for part of the lip. We're going to come down and up, and we're just going to bring this back up to about here for the jaw. Now, as we bring this jaw back, I'm going to add some little points and everything on it, just to make it look like there's some spikes and different things. We'll curve this line and add a couple little extra lines in here. We'll add some sharp teeth on here, on the bottom and on the top as well. Make kind of long broken line here and one here too, just for some detail. Starting here, we'll add a little line that comes up and down for like a spike, and then we'll add a longer one back here for a bigger horn. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down, and then we're going to go up. Then as I come up, I'm going to add a couple little kind of broken curved lines for like some wrinkles. And then right up here, we're going to make a line that's going to come up and then over. We'll add a couple more little lines here. Next, I'm going to bring this line up. Now, starting here for the chest, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down, and then it's going to come in. We'll add another little line here. Then we'll make this line come over, up, and then start to go down just a little bit. Now for the leg. Let's make a line that's going to come down, and we'll bring it back. We're going to come down, and we'll add a little line that's going to curve up. We'll add in one more here. And then we're just going to curve this around to a claw. Bring a little line here, and then one's going to come up, and I'll add another little pointed claw here. We'll make this come up, and then we're going to bring a line right around here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down and up. Little line that's going to go down and over. One more here. And we'll actually add a little bump here just to kind of show where that third claw would be. Then we'll make one more. It's going to come over. We're going to go up and down. Little line, then we're just going to bring it up here. Now, starting up here, I want to make the wing. So I'm just going to bring this line. We're going to kind of go up. I'm going to bring it right up here towards the top. I'm going to make it come out to a point, and then I'm going to bring it all the way back here. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw another one that's going to come out to a point, and then I'm just going to bring it back. I'll make one more here. And then I'm just going to connect these with a curved line. I'm going to make this one come down and then back to here. We'll draw a little line to here and one more here. We'll just kind of curve it up and then bring it down. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve around here towards the feet. We'll jump right in between there, and then I'm going to curve this line down. Make it nice and skinny, and then we're going to slowly bring it back. Little line here, a long line, then we're going to curve it to here. And we throw that extra line in here just to make it look like it's kind of twisting and turning. Now over here we're going to draw that other wing, so I'm going to make a line that's going to come out. We're going to bring it out to here. And we'll do that same thing. We'll bring it down to about here. Make another one that's going to come up to a point and back. We'll do a small one here, and then we'll bring it down. We're going to draw a little line that connects in between each one, and then right to here. Now for some of the details, we'll draw a couple of broken lines here, and then a couple lines here. A few kind of long curved broken lines on the neck. Some quick lines for like where the knees would be. And some long lines right around here. A couple little extra lines for wrinkles. And some lines for claws on the toes. A couple long broken lines inside of here just to show some detail and texture on the wings. And then even a couple like broken lines all around here. I'm also going to give this dragon a nice long tongue that's going to come out, be kind of wavy, and then bring it back. Even add a couple lines on the tail too. And there you go, there is your drawing of a flying dragon. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.